Hello and welcome. Folks, today we're going to give you a walk-around video tour and an operational video of a 2000 MOFFETT M5000 that just came off of our refurb center. Folks, it's a very nice clean machine with only 2,451 hours, 10-foot lift height, 5,000 lift capacity. Folks, it's everything you're looking for in a very affordable package, and the evidence of super maintenance stands out all over this machine. For starters, you can see evidence of brand new hydraulic oil, super nice clean seat, very nice operator control area. Come on back and I'll show you the lever bank as well. All the levers have very minimal wear in them. Everything matches up with what the hour meter is telling you. Evidence of new filters, fluids. Folks, the process as I walk around this machine, I'm going to talk about our process a little bit. When these machines come in and are first acquired, they go through a full inspection from leak and pressure check to an operational inspection, and all worn, missing, or badly needed replaced parts are taken care of prior to finally ending up in the steam room and the body shop and final reassembly, and it's finally capped off with a complete service of fluids and filters. All the units are sold with an operational guarantee, and this simply means that when you, the customer, take possession, I'm personally guaranteeing you that the machine is ready to go to work and make money. If you find it otherwise, I pay the bill. Folks, with that kind of a commitment, you simply cannot go wrong. So let's go ahead now. I've told you about how good it looks. 2 coats of urethane red paint, all ready to go, mounting chains, and I've told you all that. Take a look. You can see evidence of new hoses. And now I'm going to let you see and hear it run and operate. So come on up. We'll fire up this Kubota diesel. Comes right to life. Purrs very nice and smooth, just like you would expect it to. And I'm going to run the hydraulics first. There's the forks coming up, forks going down, retracting the carriage. And folks, it's very smooth, absolutely no bouncing or vibrating in the bearings. The bearings are also all inspected and replaced as needed. There's the tilt function, side shift right, left, and I'm going to run the stabilizer feet down, all the way down, and all the way back up. Now, I'll take it off the park brake, put it in drive, and I'm going to let you see it drive as well. Now folks, sitting here at an idle, this machine races right along. Very good indication of a very good drive system, folks. So there you have it. With that, I'm going to shut off the engine for the remainder of the video, and I encourage you to pick up that phone now and give Mike a call. You'll be glad you did. And even if this is not the machine of your choice, please still give us a call. We have over 100 truck-mounted machines in stock, along with flatbed trailers and trucks, to make a package for you that you can't turn down. Folks, give us a call today. Mike is standing by to take your order, and the number is 260-238-4998. Please give us a call. We're here to make a deal. Thank you.